Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to install the CyberChex CTF VPN Manager. The first thing you're going to want to do is go out to GitHub and pull up the repository. I will put a link in the comments section for how to get to the repo. Then what you're going to want to do is open up your terminal. It could just be on your desktop. And then you will do a git clone of the repository. And then you'll just open up the folder. Then what you'll want to do is just read through the README, just make sure that you download each of the configuration files for each of the capture the flag sites, and then rename them to exactly ctf_config.ovpn and put them each into the subdirectories. Once you do that, then you just run the Python 3 start_VPN command, and that will bring up the program.